Hey y'all, we're Sam and Chris, two Americans who just made the big move to Bologna, Italy. In this vlog, we'll take you along as we move into our new apartment.
We just got the keys.
Tackle Ikea and start to explore the city. You'll see some highs and lows as we dive headfirst into our new Italian adventure.
You cannot touch the produce with your bare hands.
Let's get tipsy, y'all.
Good morning from the Airbnb in Bologna. We are actually going to go pick up our keys and meet our landlord today at noon. And then we have nothing else planned the next few days to see. We need to go shopping to get stuff. Based off the video that we received from our realtor, we don't think there's a microwave. So first order is to get a microwave too. But we need to see also like what cleaning supplies we need and just other things that you would need for moving in. We proactively went out last night and we got some toilet paper, paper towels, that type of stuff. We are just getting the first look at our new apartment building. We know it's under construction, so don't panic. We knew this. Kind of surreal being here. It's just not real yet. We just got the keys. This is unreal. All right, welcome to our new apartment. So come this way. This is the living room / dining room. There's our kitchen. I am taller than the fridge. I'm 5'5". We have a dishwasher here. We have gas stove. We have an oven. I love that we have a toaster. The things I'm definitely gonna need to buy, some sort of coffee maker, drying rack, and no microwave. So those are gonna be on the list of things we need to purchase. So this is, we think it's gonna be the guest bed room. We'll push them together, make a bigger bed. Look at all of this storage. Oh, we have linens. We even have pillows. That's really, really exciting. You guys have no idea. Hangers, good to say. This bathroom has a full tub here, and they left us cleaning supplies, thank you. And then over here, we had our washer, come on in. Yeah, our washer, and some storage back there. Down here, we think this is gonna be our room. We gotta figure out how to make this better. God, it's so bad. And then over here, we have a huge walk-in closet. That's really good. So we have a few hangers. Good to have. One more bathroom, let's go this way. And we have a walk-in shower. And that's it. All of our stuff's still at the Airbnb. We wanted to not bring it, A, because we didn't want to be all gross and slutty. We met our landlord for the first time, but B, we also wanted to see the state of the apartment. But now that we're here, it is actually really clean. So we're probably gonna go get a bunch of the stuff. The Wi-Fi is not gonna get turned on until Monday though. So we gotta figure out if we're gonna stay there for one more night, if we're gonna come back. I do actually have to work on Monday. So we'll see what happens. We just got to Ikea. There are a few things that we need for the apartment, maybe even some small furniture pieces. We're gonna see what they have here in Europe. We are looking for a coffee table because we don't have one currently, and maybe some night tables. We don't have it either. Nightstands. We don't have any of those. But we keep finding stuff we need, like Tupperware and other miscellaneous things. We keep putting them in here as well. We stopped to get some coffee and a cinnamon bun here at the cafeteria, and I'm cracking up because it's a full espresso bar. There's pastries, there's even gelato. Last time we were in Bologna, I discovered a new coffee drink called latte macchiato, and they say it's like a gateway coffee drink that gets you into more espressos. I don't really prefer bitter. This is fantastic, and I love it's in a clear glass because you can see exactly how much more milk is in it than a regular coffee.
We called a taxi to get us home with all of our newfound treasures. First meal in a new apartment. We've got some beer and some pizzas. Since we were in the process of moving in, we just went somewhere close. We ended up going right across the street from our apartment and getting these pizzas. It's a Turkish restaurant, but they have pizza. I just had a little nibble of mine, the crust. Oh my God, y'all. This is gonna be dangerous being right across from it.
Today is Sam's first day back at work, now that we have officially moved to Italy, which is still very crazy for me to say out loud. You saw yesterday that pretty big Ikea run, so that means today is also Ikea assembly day. So in true accountant fashion, I've already got all my pieces here counted out and spread out, so I know I have everything. So I hit the nail on the head there, quite literally. I've already got one coffee table out of the way. I got a couple more nightstands to go. I'm gonna do these on my own today. That's on my to-do list, but otherwise, if the next thing you see is not the finished product, you'll know that this did not go according to plan.
We actually packed with us a blanket, pillowcases, and a set of sheets. We weren't sure how big the bed was gonna be, so we brought kings. This is more of a queen size. It's called a matrimonial bed here in Italy. One of the grocery store chains here is called Pam, and we found one that said a hypermarket on it, and I'm very curious to see what a hypermarket means. This might be the biggest grocery store I've seen in Europe. It's like a regular grocery store back home.
You cannot touch the produce with your bare hands.
Something else is that the milk is not necessarily refrigerated, along with the eggs. I think that's very strange. I'm not sure if I can get used to it. For our anniversary, we decided to do burgers, which I know sounds insane because we're here in Italy. We wanted to see what the burgers tasted like here. We got it! So it's about a 10-minute walk home, so we're gonna walk home and then we will unbox. Ooh, this is the fried tortellini. Look at that, yeah, buddy. First few bites, amazing. Like, it's not a traditional American burger, but it's really, really good and it's juicy, and the bun is so much better than our really dry buns. And I don't even know what cheese is on it. Do you know what cheese is on it?
I believe it's just cheddar cheese, but I think there's a cheese fondue sauce as well. That's probably what makes it extra good.
Yeah, see, cheese fondue, not just cheddar. Have you had a burger internationally before? Let us know in the comments below. Do you prefer US burgers or international burgers? We shipped over 2 50-pound boxes from the US, and it took roughly 10 days to arrive. To maximize the boxes, we used vacuum sealed bags for the clothes. They opened the bags. That's so funny. Y'all, we filled these to the very, very tippy top. We shipped mostly winter stuff since we knew we wouldn't need it right away, and some hiking gear as well. We kept a detailed list of what was in each box and bag, and everything arrived in one piece. Happy Saturday. We have a new adventure. We're taking a bus to Ikea. So we took a taxi last weekend, but the bus is only $1.50. The taxi was definitely not. So we're gonna try one way to go there, and then with all of our stuff, we're gonna taxi to come back. So we jumped off the bus with almost the entire bus. And now we're just walking in a massive group to the mall. It has been an adventure today. So we started at the mall. We found a TV because we needed one for the bedroom and a microwave. And we just walked that from the mall over here to Ikea. We already went shopping in Ikea. We dropped off our stuff at the end and they held it for us. This is the only way to build IKEA furniture is with alcohol. Chris is drinking
Bologna.
Yeah, and I got some Prosecco.
A few moments later.
We are going back to the mall to exchange the TV. So the mall is a half-hour away by bus. And then from that bus stop, you have to walk about 10-ish minutes, maybe 15 to get to the mall. So it just kind of sucks. We'd only planned on doing this once, but now we have to go back. But there was a wine bar at the mall, so we've talked about getting dinner there. Seems like a fair trade. We had them check this one in the store. They plugged it in. It does look good. We got our receipt, and we're gonna head home. Again, another
10-minute walk back to the bus stop, 30-minute bus ride back, and then about 5-minute walk home from there. We walked back to the bus station and we decided to not do the wine bar, but right outside the bus station is actually a beer bar. So we have about a half hour. We wanted to make sure we were here before, so we didn't miss a bus. We're sitting out here in a beer garden.
Chris.
Let's drink some beer. After a super eventful Saturday, we've decided that we're going to explore some today and not run errands or return TVs. We're going to head to the center of Bologna to grab some food.
Since 1960, Solo Maria Simone has been located in the heart of Bologna's market area and offers a wide selection of cold cuts like mortadella and Parma ham alongside rich cheeses. This foodie haven is packed with yummy meats and cheeses, making it a must-visit spot for those looking to indulge in local delicacies. We ordered a mixed board and loved combining the ingredients to create the perfect bite.
Back in 2020 when we were here, we had the most amazing gelato. It's on the southeast side of the city center, and we are on our way there now to grab some. We were walking to get an Amazon package. Yes, Amazon is in Italy. And we go through this park right near our house, and we saw all these people there, and we noticed a bar. So we stopped. I got a vermentino, Chris got
A Negroni.
and we're just doing a very quick, like 5-minute walk, but now we have something to drink along the way. There is no container law here in Italy, so it feels very weird to just walk around with your drink, but you can, so we're going to. We were just walking around trying to get the lay of the land, and we passed this incredible pizza. It's on a focaccia bread. Y'all, it looks so good. This is mortadella with ricotta cheese. It looks like some pistachios on top. This is probably one of the first actual cocktails we've gotten to have in Bologna. Bologna is not known for their cocktails, so we're going to debunk that while we're here now. And this is really, really good. I'm drinking something called Gelato. It's actually a Japanese drink. It's citrus-based, and all the ingredients, minus the matcha tea syrup, come here from Italy. Come from here in Italy. So the coolest thing ever is happening in Bologna today. Chris had to tell me about it because I didn't know, but the Tour de France is here. So we're gonna go head over to where the course is and just be spectators. Chris has a road beer, because remember, it is legal to drink in the streets here. I don't know, I might find something once we get over there. I wasn't really feeling the Peroni today. We made it to one of the main streets here, and we're just now waiting for the riders to come. They're supposed to start in like 15 minutes, but who knows, maybe sooner.
It was absolutely crazy how fast the riders passed you, and the energy of the crowd only added to the excitement. Not a bad way to start our new European adventure. Coming up next, we have our first friends come to visit and start to really explore Bologna. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video.